Health Info. Bringing you well-researched medical information. In today's video, we give you a basic rundown on what is nutrition. Nutrition is the nourishment that we provide our bodies via the foods that we eat. A good diet ensures the body receives the nutrients needed for good health and growth. How does nutrition help us? Good nutrition maintains the health of a person throughout their lifespan. How does nutrition help maintain health? Nutrition helps by reducing the risk of diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, stroke, some cancers, and osteoporosis. It helps reduce high blood pressure and lowers high cholesterol levels. Nutrition also improves your ability to fight off illness and recover from illness or injury. Finally, it improves your overall well-being and increases your energy levels. Nutrition in babies. Breastfeeding is one of the most important sources of nutrients. It confers immunity and protection against childhood illnesses, such as ear and respiratory infections, asthma, and sudden infant death syndrome, also called SIDS. What are the different types of nutrients? Nutrients are broadly categorized as macronutrients or micronutrients. Most of the nutrition comes from the macronutrients, but micronutrients also play an essential role in maintaining healthy body function. What are macronutrients? Macronutrients provide for most of the dietary needs of the body. They are considered the fuel of the body and help carry out major functions such as providing energy, building and repairing the body, and protecting it from disease and external factors such as viruses and bacteria. Macronutrients are of three types: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. A healthy plate should consist of a good measure of grains, vegetables, meat and lean protein, dairy, nuts, and fruits to help constitute all the macronutrients needed by the body. Some patients may be allergic to certain foods, in which case, they should use other substitutes that are non-allergenic. Macronutrients provide the required energy for many functions that we carry out on a subconscious level, such as breathing, temperature regulation, digestion, and cell repair. Macronutrients also help in voluntary movement and physical and mental work. What are micronutrients? Micronutrients mainly compose of vitamins and minerals, which are required in smaller quantities. These micronutrients are vital for the body to carry out its functions. Children require micronutrients for proper growth and development. Micronutrients are responsible for many nutritional deficiencies. Some examples include anemia caused by iron deficiency, and rickets and osteoporosis caused by vitamin D deficiency. Micronutrients include vitamins which can be water or fat-soluble. Water-soluble vitamins need to be taken daily, while fat-soluble vitamins can be stored by the body and not needed on a daily basis, unless prescribed. Minerals are required in very small quantities in the body, but are essential for its proper functioning. Those essential for health include calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, chloride, magnesium, iron, zinc, iodine, chromium, copper, fluoride, molybdenum, manganese, and selenium. The popular food pyramid diagram is a handy visual representation in the shape of a pyramid. It provides information on the optimal number of servings of food a person should eat daily from each basic food group, and how much it constitutes in terms of percentage of food consumed to fulfill the requirements of the body. A healthy and balanced diet helps obtain your daily nutrition requirements. Reach out to your health team to ask questions about the best ways to obtain nutrition based on your custom requirements. Keep watching our videos to learn more about healthy living and nutrition. If you like our videos and want to learn more, please leave a comment below. Subscribe and share to help others.